just white vinyl siding that was probably 30 to 35 years old. When the wind blows and everything, even with the storm windows on, you can still see the curtains move. I was out in the yard working, and one of your people that was canvassing the town happened to walk by and approached me and gave me some literature on it. It sounded pretty interesting, so set me up a time for somebody to come out and give me an estimate on doing the windows and the siding. Energy Guard installed 21 windows. The triple pane with the argon gas, and I had the vinyl siding installed with the foam backing and everything. The crew did good. They picked up every night and everything. Oscar and his crew, they did an excellent job. Real pleased with the work and the way they wrapped the fascia and the soffit and the windows. It only took 2 days to do the windows. They did a good job on those. I really like the way that they wrapped the windows and how the color really changed the house. Had a lot of comments on the house being totally transformed. I really like the fact that the soffits and the fascia is maintenance free, along with the windows. With the winds blowing here in Kansas, I haven't noticed the curtains blowing like they used to through the windows, and it's a lot quieter. I would recommend Energy Guard to a friend. Their product is outstanding. Their workmanship is good quality work, and they was real friendly. And like I said, if you're needing windows and siding, I would definitely recommend Energy Guard.